This is the Xcover S5690, the first Xcover 2011. I have it since 2012, and it's been a bit used because here you can see the USB port has to be fixed with sticky tape, and you can see it does restart from alone all the time now with the battery inside. So it's not really working anymore. I don't know why this is happening, but I will, for the test, remove the battery because I don't want it to maybe explode or something, and I'm not sure if I still may want to use it for something if it does work one day again. Maybe it's just a software brick or so. Okay, I'll close it to be fair. You can see I also had to stick the power button, and let's go to the test. And it's not so easy because I want to make the 150 meters test, and that's pretty high. Let's see if you can even see something from here. Where I will drop it. I will do I will do 150 in meters. That's pretty high. I've seen, because I never dropped it from such a height. That's really high. You can see 150. Yeah, I don't even know how I will record the drop test from 150 because yeah, I will probably have to hold the phone recording with the same hand. By the way, the phone recording, this is even older than the Xcover, but it seems to be working for a long time now. So, okay. Okay, it's not 150 anymore, it's 145. Now it's 150. So you will have to trust me that I'm not cheating, because okay, here you see the Xcover. 150 actually is here. Here where my thumb is, 150. Maybe I will hold my phone with my mouse, yeah. Okay, I'll hold with my hand. Yeah, just have to trust that I'm not cheating. I will only throw it from on the screen because the screen is made from Gorilla Glass. By the way, Gorilla Glass 1. And I'm really afraid that it will break because I've never tested from such a height. And you see it's a wooden floor, so it's not like we have in another room like stony or marmor, so it shouldn't be such an impact, but I'm still afraid because I ordered a new phone even worse than this one from the level. It's only an entry level, not middle class phone, but pretty cheap and has bigger screen, but the width is the same. You know, the Xcover, it has the advantage, you can, maybe I'll show you short before it even breaks. Oh, no, hold my hand. Can hold with it with one hand, and we can really do much with it. only just Gmail isn't working anymore, YouTube won't work. That's really just since 2021 or 2020. I could work a lot. Could do a lot of stuff with it still till last year with Opera 20. Opera Beta 20, Opera Mini Beta 20, and let's do the test. I'm really afraid it will break, but just because I want to do something new on YouTube. Okay, now 150 again. Whew. It seemed to be fallen on the back, so it didn't break. And now the same test in this room. My mom doesn't even want me to record something here. So this is not, the floor is very hard. If it doesn't break, it's probably being a wonder. So you can see now I'm trying to record the full fall, and let's do it on 0, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1. Guys, I'm sorry I pressed on the stop button. I found out how I can turn on the light so you can maybe see better. It's actually 150. Maybe we can see it from this side. 151 actually. And it did survive. And now we're going to do it from three perspectives, because just over the fun of it. My hand is already, let's say, shut. I've already have my hand already hurt, so now I will have to drop it because it's really, I can't hold it much longer with only 2 fingers. So let's do it now on 0, 0. And it survived. Now, I don't know, what was it? I'll throw now from the... So we are throwing from 150. 150. Okay, let's decide one, because it's already on the side. Yeah, that looks good, and it doesn't look broken at all. And now, because I'm not sure if we did it on the front, we'll do the front again. Yeah, this is, I mean, actually, we're measuring 150 here. My idea now, because holding this is very, let's say, intense. Yeah, 50 centimeters, 120, 140, 150. So you can see I'm not cheating. I will drop it from here 3 times. Just for the video, and let's see what happens, because now I don't have to hold the thing anymore. I can record better. You see? Oops. The wooden thing also fell down. Nothing happened. Let's do it again. Where's the back first? From this perspective, so you don't think I may be cheating. Yeah. 1, 2. Also not broken. It's also very light. Maybe the result would have been different if I had the battery inside. But okay, now I will from the slide it down so it can fall on the on the side. I hope this is a good angle. So it doesn't look broken at all, but well, cannot even say anything because actually it wouldn't start anymore. Let's look in the inside. It doesn't look very different, and it's funny, 3 tests and on 150 or more and no damage at all. I mean, all the damage you can see here was already there before. So that's for the Xcover S5690, the very first Samsung Xcover, and I hope you found this very interesting, this adventure to old smartphone, only using Gorilla Glass and on the back polycarbonate or rubber, I don't really know. It's very tough, and they don't even write it on the package. They only say it's IP67 certificated, and it doesn't have a military standard like 810G or something. So that's interesting that it's so tough, because they will say Gorilla 5 and Glass 5 and 6 are so good, but it does seem that already Gorilla Glass 1 was very endurable. Yeah, well, let's see if I make a video about my new phone that I will buy. It's not really that that like this one. It probably would break if it falls down. But I ordered tempered glass, and I won't make any drop tests. That's too risky. I only did this because, like I showed you before, it's very old and doesn't really work anymore. And yeah, stay tuned to watch more stuff like this. Maybe even if you saw, it's not very easy for me to really record a drop test with my other phone that I have. Yeah, bye. Wait, you can see that? Probably. It's actually... Yeah. It's not so easy. It was created in 2000. I'll probably have to use one hand for recording and another one to holding this. I have something here where you can see how much this distance is and where I will drop it. Yeah, this is fucking shit. Ah, that's an idea.